If you own a Shopify store, you need to watch this video all the way to the very end. In this video, I'll show you how to actually sell your high ticket products on Shopify and have a conversion rate for over 4% on a monthly basis. This is not one-time conversion rate. This is on a monthly basis, and it will help you with your company enterprise value big time. And not just that, you educate the consumer in a very unique way. So watch this video all the way to the very end. If you own a Shopify store, you're stuck between 1 or 2% conversion rate, you want to take your store to the next level, well, guess what? This is the only video that will change the game of how you do business online. It's 2026 and everything is very competitive. It doesn't matter what product category I looked at, everything has competition. So let me share my screen. Let me get right into it. All right, guys, so I'll be reviewing a brand called Impact. Again, this is just an example that I'm going to be sharing in this video. The reason I create examples or share examples is to show you like what is possible in e-commerce industry. It doesn't matter if you sell dog product, if you sell supplements, if you sell t-shirts, it doesn't matter. It's all about educating the consumer in a correct way. Now, nowadays in 2026, 2027, a lot of video demos are coming up. As when I land on the product page, the first thing I see is the demo video of the product. And it has to be less than 10 seconds to actually showcase like, okay, this is how the product looks like. And this is how easy to use this product, okay? Now, if you are selling, let's say, coffee, you can showcase like, okay, this is how you actually open the pack, and this is how you actually make the coffee in less than like 1 minute. Okay, so this is all about the use of the actual product. Now, of course, the product has like different pictures as well. Very clean layouts. Now, the second thing is the high ticket side of things. Now, I work with a lot of brands that are in the high ticket space, and some brands, they have products anywhere cost from like $10 all the way up to $100, low ticket prices. It doesn't matter. It's all about how the user experience is. So when I come to this page, the first thing I see is, of course, like the title, the pricing, $7.99. The original price is $1,000, 20% off. And of course, they're offering monthly subscriptions as well for the product itself. Description, we have a little bit of color. And of course, if you go on to their different product pages, they have different colors for that you can actually select the product from. And they also have sizes. Now, if you see right here, if I click on this drop down, they have 24 inch, 34 inch, and 48 inch. That basically puts in different type of dogs into that specific crate. Okay, I can visually see like, okay, I have like a very big dog, so I need like something that is like 85 pounds. Okay, so I'm just talking about like the category. Or if I don't have it here, I can just select or type the dog that I have, and then I can search it and it will show you like, hey, this is the recommended crate size, 40 inches, extra large. So this is the 48 inch, which they don't have in stock. But again, this is just like to build that user experience that is like very easy and simple to use. Now, when it comes to a free gift, now if you see right here, it says FI Collar Series 3 Plus 6 months membership for free with crate purchase. Now, this is of course like a tracker that they're offering for free, plus the 6 month subscription for absolutely free for your dog. Pretty good offer. Of course, we do free gifts as well. It has to make sense with the main product. A lot of e-commerce store owners, what they do is they will just throw in random free products. They will be like, okay, get a free shipping or get a free digital ebook. Nowadays in 2026, consumers are pretty smart, and they're not just going to buy off of free shipping. They buy based on value. So if I'm a dog owner and I have a big dog, I want to make sure like it's properly tracked. Well, guess what? I'll basically make sure that I'm getting this collar to actually keep a track on my dog. Okay, that's basically the whole idea behind it. And of course, we have a dog crate bag. Again, if I open this, this isn't open anyways, but they have like the crate pad as well. So if I'm purchasing this crate, it's very obvious that I'm going to create a pad as well. If I'm spending $1,000 or $800 on my dog, $136 is nothing to add to make sure that my dogs have like the most comfort, right? So we're talking about, again, the industry. We're talking about the pain point. We're talking about a solution. The add-ons needs to make sense. If it's just random add-ons were thrown into the product page, might not work. Okay, so the conversion rate makes have to make sense. Free shipping ships out in 4 to 6 weeks, which is like a month and a half. You have a little bit of description, free shipping, free returns and exchanges. Of course, we have a use case scenario of the actual crate, easy setup, removable door, comfort. Again, they're talking about like why you should have this product. Let's scroll further down. They have some sizing information. Again, talking about like the demo of the actual product, and we have picture reviews as well. So a very simple, small landing page, but very impactful. And that's basically how we do it. Now let's talk about like plugins for just a second, because this is important. A lot of people comment on my videos talking about like, hey, what is this plugin? What is that plugin? What are you using? So there's a couple plugins that you can use if you need help and you want to make create like something similar in terms of like the user experience. You can always contact me. My calendar link will be in the description below. But for the apps itself, if you are using like a subscription product, of course you can use different apps for that. But for upsells, my main plugin that I personally like is Easy Bundles. I'll put the link of Easy Bundles right below this video. You can check it out. With Easy Bundles, you can kind of create these type of add-ons onto your product page. So this type of like turning on and turning off. You can also offer free gifts using Easy Bundles. And again, if you need customizations that look similar to this, you can always contact me. And for landing pages, I saw a lot of comments, people talking about like, hey, what is you use in terms of like landing pages? We use like, if I'm taking like an approach of like using a landing page builder, we use like a combo of like using gem pages. I'll put the link of gem pages right below this video as well. You can install that app, check it out yourself. If you don't use gem pages, you want more customizations, then you have to create custom landing pages. Okay, I basically create custom landing pages too. This is an example of a 100% custom landing page, because different product pages have different type of buy boxes. Okay, there's like 1,000 different approaches to create a landing page. Gem pages can help you with the base landing page that will still get you the most conversion rate. But if you want to go like all in terms of like the customization side of things, you can contact me and I can help with that. That's not a problem. So this is it for this video, guys. If you have any other questions, concerns, if you want to connect, you want to talk about your brand, be sure to click the link right below this video. If you install the plugins from the links that I share in my video, that helps channel a lot. So be sure to install the apps, try it yourself. If it works out for you, good. If you install the apps and you want to get those customizations done that I showed you in this video, you can contact me. Again, I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.